Next to sit. Good boy. Hello gang. Hello friends. Hello gang friends. Gang friends. Gang friends merch available at missjoesnailco.com. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video finds you well. Are you well? I want to know. Let me know how you are. Tell me everything. What's been going on? I hope you're well. If you're new, hello. 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 Did you know whose was whose? Hello, my name is Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff with nail stuff, and the stuff she does with nails is done with nail stuff and stuff for nails. There might be two videos today. I think I'm going to split it, one for swatching and then do something with the swatches, but just a couple of nails, and then another one for a design. But both will be including the new Madam Glam collection, the May collection, which is the Mexico collection. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but if it's not, I will correct myself on screen. Oh my word, they are amazing. I'm kidding, that's empty. I've already looked at them. But that was my reaction. Actually, my reaction was to gasp at such a speed that all moisture from my throat was instantly eradicated and I suddenly had a really dry throat and started choking. They're that good. So let's not dilly-dally. Let's get to it. This is the latest Madam Glam collection. Dexter's coming up. I can hear him. You okay, my sweet? You can use code MissJo30 for a whopping 30, get your head out the bin, for a whopping 30% off at Madam Glam. I'll put a link in the description. Let's have a look at their new colours. They're not in this box. The box is empty. I found another box to put them in so I could do this. Look at... Why have I not put them in rainbow order? Oh, Dexter just bashed his head on the coffee table. So that is all of them from this collection that I mistakenly am referring to in this video as the Mexico collection. It's actually the Flavor Por Favor collection. I'm not going to try and describe colours because it's not an easy thing to do. But I think seeing them like this, being sort of shown in their bottles, gives you a better look at what the colours are like than maybe just swatch pictures on a website. Obviously you're seeing this through a screen as well, but when you see things online and they arrive, sometimes they're completely different to what you had in your head. So hopefully this is a little bit more insightful. Look at this yellow. I love a good yellow. I found a good yellow, hard to come by over the years, but all the ones I have from Madam Glam are really nice, and I've always found that yellows crinkle easily in a lamp, but I haven't had that issue with any of my Madam Glam yellows. There's 10 colours in this collection. Sorry if I sound a bit bunged up. I am a bit bunged up. It's been really sunny, and now it's rainy today, which tends to kickstart a hay fever day when it's been sunny and then it rains. It's like, I don't know why. This one, Bluebell, oh my goodness, this is my favourite kind of blue. Very, very slightly verging on lavender, but it's just a powder kind of, what's the word I'm looking for? Begins with a C. Cornflower blue, maybe? I'm not sure. This is why I don't describe colours. And this is the Lavender Springs. And this, Cloudless, really nice cream. And sometimes it's nice to use a cream instead of a white on people if white's a bit stark. So colours like this are perfect for that sort of thing. Let's swatch. I can't bring myself to take the box from him. He's having too much fun, so we'll just have to listen to him screw it up. Let's swatch these colours. Shall I show you the second coat or the first coat or both? First coat so you can see, so you can see how opaque they are. I'm really sorry. And then I'll just speed up the second coat because I thought I'd include the label making part of the process. If I do more swatching videos, I won't do this for every one because it's not very interesting, but I do have a video on this label maker because lots of you ask how I label my pops. So this is the Dymo Electra tag, and the tape is a little bit wide for a pop. It would hang over the edge a tiny bit. Oh, and if you print them all next to each other, instead of one by one, you save a lot of, see that big gap between the last two? There's only a big gap because I ran out of characters, so I had to print and then do a next one. But normally, like here, I'll just add a couple of spaces in between each word, and that will save on so much tape. And then print it all out together, trim either side so that I can center it and not have any overlap. If you trim just one side, but you want the word center, you're still going to have a little overlap on one side. And then I will peel it all off in one go, stick that to just my desk, and then cut as I pop them on here. And then I just included this bit because it was quite satisfying. It was satisfying to do, and I don't know, is it satisfying to watch? So that's just how I label mine. The Dymo Electra tag I have, they didn't have a pink one in the UK. So the only place I found a pink one was from Australia, and it was from eBay. It was new, but it was on eBay. So I think the postage cost more than the label maker itself, because it came from the literal other side of the planet. But it was worth it because the rest are just kind of grey, and I wanted a nice pretty one for my nail stuff. So I'm popping them now. I don't actually show the second coat because they're so opaque. I do show you them when they're all finished, but because they're so opaque, the second coat didn't really make much of a difference. But I do show you all of them once they've had 2 coats and once we've topped them. When I first started out, I had all my pops on a necklace wire, just on this massive hoop, but it had one of those clasps that you twist to sort of, when I do pops, sometimes you're going to get a bit of colour on the underside, just a tiny bit on the sides maybe, so I just swipe with my finger so that it doesn't leave polish in my lamp that cures. We don't need to add to all the tiny bits of polish that are in the lamp from clients bumping their nails, and then when they bring their nail out and there's like a chunk out of it, not a chunk out of the nail, just like a dent in the polish, and I say, did you bump the lamp? And they swear, they promise they did not, but lo and behold, there is a tiny bit of their colour on the lamp. I don't tell them off, I just beat them round the face with an 80 grit file. What's it saying? Yes, I use a necklace wire. I used to use a necklace wire, and the screw clasp would sometimes just ping open, and because it was so big, I had so many pop sticks on there, they would just go everywhere. It was a whole pop palaver. So I switched to using the metal rings that come with the bag of pops when you get them, and just having more of those as opposed to one necklace wire with like a billion pops on. But I used to label them by hand and just try and write neatly, and then after a while I thought, no, this needs to look a bit more profesh. So I got a label maker. I mean, labeling them with a marker pen is fine if you're just a home user doing them for yourself. But I think if you're going to do it professionally, it's nice to have proper labels. So this is the last swatch, I think. So I will do a second coat of all of these, and then I will top them with the Madam Glam No White top coat, which is the nicest top coat I've ever used. Forever.
I want to do something that he's still playing with that box. I want to use all the colours. So I think I'm just going to, for the sake of, shut the fuck up. I'm thinking we'll just do a couple of nails, just stripy. I do love painting straight lines. We could put some, got it. We could jazz it up and put some of their gold or silver, gold gel paint, a stripe of that as well. So sparkly. Stop it, Dexter. Shh. Look at the mess you have left me with now.
So this is all of them: Candy Pop, Tulips, Lemon Drop, Peach Pie, Cloudless, Spring Fever, Apple Bite, Bluebell, Lavender Springs and Cottontail. Look how beautiful they are. I love them. And now I'm going to just get a bunch of stripes on. So I'm going to start with Cottontail. I'm putting this down first as a base. It means that it will help the other colours pop because it's light. So we'll only have to do one coat of each stripe. These are the colours I've picked. Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, that's not all of them, but I do end up using all of them because I do 2 nails like this but with different colors. So I'm just going to start with my first stripe, which is Lavender Springs, and then we're just going to do lines. So I'm not sure how to make this sound interesting. I'm very aware that this voiceover is a lot less enthused than the clips of me, just because I'm having a day with hay fever. It kind of almost feels like flu when it's really bad. And I just sound bunged up and miserable. I'm not miserable, I'm just feeling a bit pooper scoop. So with doing these lines, I do love painting straight lines, but I've no idea how to verbally advise on improving line painting skills. The thing I say a bit is let the brush do all the work, and that's definitely the case, but obviously you have to do something. You can't just dip your brush in polish and put it to the side and expect it to jump up and paint a line for you. But once you, obviously the more pressure you put down, the thicker your line is going to be, and then as you lift off pressure, then the line's going to be thinner. I am flash curing each of these lines, I think just for 10, 20 seconds maybe. I mean, this is a 30-second cure polish, so 10 seconds is enough for it to be set enough, cured enough for the next colour to go next to it, and for it to not be wet still. And if you get the first line straight, it just acts as a guide for the rest of them.
We've done the get out the bin. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, no. Whack and wheel wrapper. Oh, you have to see. He thinks when he goes in a corner, nobody can see him. I'm going to have to film him so you can see.
Oh, you've lost it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Not for you. Not for you. Okay.
No, you don't want this. It's not food, it's gel. This gold gel paint is bananas, as is their silver one. And I'm waiting on the chrome gel paint, which... Oh, hello! What in the world? Look, come see. Come and have a look. Come on. Look at you! No, it's not food though. Look, you can sniff it. Ah, your claw's digging into my leg. Oh, that was so mischievous. I quite liked it though. Come here. You scallywag. I'm waiting on their chrome, but it's out of stock at the moment. They're going to send it to me, I think, with a bunch of the other gel paints. So I'm looking forward. We'll do a video on that. Looking forward to doing a video on that. So we're going to add some of this gold. Just to, you'll see. It's amazing.
Look at this stuff is so amazing. It's so sparkly and it's so opaque as well. Look at this line just with glitter gel paint. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so sparkly. I want to die. I also have the silver one of these. I wonder if we should petition for them to make glitter gel paint in all the colours. That would be, I'm going to have to ask about it. They're so opaque, they're so sparkly, they don't need a top coat. I'm not sure if they leave a tacky layer or not. I don't know, they don't leave a tacky layer. I did it underneath, I did the silver all over on a client the other day, and then we put like rainbow leopard print on top. But they don't leave a tacky layer, so it's fine in this instance. Obviously you don't want to paint, there was a bit of a gap between these two lines, so I just wanted to add more glitter really. So that's what we're doing here. But yes, they don't leave a tacky layer. So because you don't want to paint on top of a surface that isn't tacky or buffed, you don't want to paint onto a shiny, dry surface. But when it's all mixed in, all the other colours are tacky, that's fine here. But when I did it on a client, when I did the silver gel paint all over, before doing the leopard print, I buffed the nail so that when we did the leopard print and then when we did the top coat, which we've just done here, oh, would you just stop it? Look how sparkly that is. I'm going to show you, I'm doing another nail with stripes. I didn't want to show you all the stripes again because I didn't want to bore the bejesus out of you, but I am showing you doing the gold paint just because it's incredibly satisfying to watch. But yes, on the client we buffed the silver gel paint before putting the rainbow leopard spots on it and before topping, so that both of those things had something to grip to. But the good thing about this is that you can do your design, top it. Let's say you wanted to top it in matte, but you wanted shiny gold or silver or any gel paint aspects. You can top, although if you top in shiny, if you're going to top in shiny, do it before you top. But if you're topping in matte, do the matte and then do the gel paint. Because if you don't want to do it on top of shiny, because again, it's not got much to grip to. Oh, I think I just rambled and said the same thing in 15 different ways. So this is the second one with some of the other colours, and this is topping it with their no wipe top coat. And that is our little designs for swatching. This would be great just to have one nail like this and then have maybe the other 4 in some of those colours, you know, different plain colours, and just that as an accent, or all over. It would look amazing all over with the odd glitter stripe.
So that is the look at you all smiley. That's it, stay there, you're covering your mess. Don't move. Oh, Dex is very excited about the Mexico collection. Let me know in the comments which one is your favourite. Are you going to get some? Are you going to get them all? I recommend getting all of them. And while you're there, you can use code MissJo30 for 30% off your order. I hope you liked this swatching video. Let me know if you want more swatching videos, because normally I just show you that I have swatched them already, but if you like watching them go on so you can see what the first coat is like, most of them are one coaters, but obviously you do 2 for the service. It's not just about the colour, it's about the strength that it provides. So if you want to see me swatching the new collections in the future, then let me know and we'll do it. Thank you for joining me. There will be another video in minutes. There's a bit of hair tickling the shit out of my nose. Okay. There is another video ready to watch now where I'm going to do a CINCO De Mayo set with these colours. So if you want to see that, then head there right now. I'll see you there. I'll meet you there in a minute. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Where are you going? She just doesn't love us. Right, what am I saying? You're my little Gucci girl. Bloody hairs in my mouth. Hair in my eye.